to Jacob Jagger Toys. Hello guys, my name is Jacob, and even the old Superman, the new Superman from the new movie, I got another superhero.
You get
He's
another
the
superhero?
same,
Yeah.
but he's a different one. He's the same like in my picture. See that?
Yeah, okay, then. Yeah, then show us.
Da 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 da.
Who's that?
It's Superman.
Is that the original Superman?
Yeah.
Show me behind the box.
Behind the box.
Yeah, oh. Come on, show me what's in this one. Alright.
Let's test it out.
Let's open it.
Yeah. He's a solid toy.
Solid toy. Oh, what? There's a card and there's a stand.
Yeah, it's the same stand like the other Superman. Here's him.
Can you make it stand?
Let's see.
Mm.
I cannot.
Oh, look at the cape. I like the cape. So it's like, yeah.
It's the same like the picture here.
Yeah. Show us in closer look. Let's take a closer look. So this is his face. Oh, look at the face.
Yeah.
Oh, and then look at the Superman logo on his chest. It's
Yeah, it's so big. The other one is not big like that.
Yeah, and then can you see make it move like that? Make a nice pose. Can you make a nice pose?
I can make it like this.
Like what? Like flying?
The head is hard to me. He flies like this, actually.
Sorry, show it to me. Oh, I like it.
And then we gotta take out the stand.
Yeah, later we'll take it out.
Yeah. Here's his actual pose.
Like flying? Make him stand. Oh, like that. Show it to us so that I know. Oh, it's like really flying. Is that your favorite superhero?
Yeah, and the Justice League.
The Justice League?
I didn't have the Superman before.
Yeah.
Let's check up the inside the box now. See this all this comic books?
Yeah. There's a card.
That's a card. What's here? I think there's Superman.
Oh yeah. I'm just trying to take a closer look. See?
Let's try this.
So yeah, it's nice.
Okay. Check the card off the wall. So I think there's Batman. Oh, I think that's Superman.
Yeah. Okay. I think that's about it. Come on, let's say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Remember, kids, sharing is caring.